How to make money on people per hour as a language tutor. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People per Hour is a platform where you can sell your own skills or where you can list your skills for other buyers to assign you or hire you for a project or a job, and then you will get paid for that job. So for example, if you are a language tutor, so here let's check the translation, or let's go to the search here, click on search freelancers, and here enter language tutor. So those are the freelancers that we have in here that are language tutors. As you can see, teach you English as a second language, 56-minute lesson for $25. Provide 1 hour of business English coaching, $80 per hour. Do video marketing and screencast tutorial for web and software. This is not what we want. Train you for competitive entry exams, and it's $100 per hour. So this is how much these people are making from their skills. So in order to be just like one of these people, you will need to go to freelancer button in your top right, and then here click on I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and here you fill your first name, last name, the usual information, email and password, then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, and here I'm going to enter my email and my password. So here I'm going to enter my password and log in, and here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here let's click on apply now and complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you drop your profile picture. You can browse for a profile picture and drop it here. After that, you enter your job title. As you can see, for example, award-winning web developer, or we can just go for a language tutor, and then you enter your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to not exceed that. So here let's start with language. So here language teacher. Let's see what we can find also about language. So here we have nothing related to teaching languages. Let's go with English translation, English grammar, and let's enter English again, English, to see what do we have else. So here we have just translation. So it's just go with these two, and then you proceed to your description. As you can see, describe yourself to buyers. So guys, when it comes to the description, what I prefer to do is go into to my competitors and get some inspiration from their descriptions. How are they talking about their skills? How are they describing themselves, their previous experience? How did they organize their description? So I'm going to see all of that in this search. Go to search freelancers, open it in a new window, and here I'm going to enter the skill I'm going to search for. Language tutor. So here we have 4 freelancers doing this gig, and here it looks like sorry, no offers found. Let's go back. So here let's check this one's description. So we have English teacher, and his description is very long. It's too long. We cannot enter something this long. This will make the client very bored. He won't even read it. He'll just look at it, close, and go somewhere else. So that's a very bad idea when it comes to descriptions. Let's go back to see if one of those had a good description to get inspiration from. So here we have business English advisor. So this is a good description. It's very brief and organized. We have here 3 paragraphs. I am a lifelong English language nerd with over 20 years varied experience, and I am passionate about using my combined English research and business experience to help individuals and organizations unlock their potential. I have a first-class honors degree majoring in English language, applied linguistics, and pure linguistics. I also undertook 3 years of a PhD in instrumental and acoustic phonetics before putting it to one side to pursue a career in industry. Since then, I have over a decade's experience working in executive search, recruitment, and management consulting, including 3 years as a CEO. In addition to my recent business experience and earlier academic work, I have taught sociolinguistics and phonetics at an undergraduate level, worked as a linguistic consultant, presented at international conferences, and to the end. So this is a very good description to get inspiration from, guys. So here you will just need to, if you are lazy, just change these paragraphs with your personal information, and make sure to make it disorganized in order to make it easier for the clients to read. And after you're done with your description, you enter your location and the languages that you can speak, and you end with your hourly rate. So here you can change the currency from the pounds to the dollars, and here enter your hourly rate. Then click on submit application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.